Dugaw.
So when we say by housing both traditional and cutting-edge technologies, the AMC demonstrates its commitment to provide a comprehensive, adaptable learning environment that empowers students and teachers to explore diverse learning approach. Third is it facilitates and ensures the optimal use of instructional media. This statement really derives home the important place of AMC. It's not just about having a resource, but about making sure those resources are useful effectively to maximize their impact on student learning. And thus, this statement fosters the dynamic and proactive nature of AMC. It goes beyond simply providing resources and instead actively fostering a culture of learning and skills development. The AMC organizes engaging activities for both students and teachers designed to enhance their technology skills and cultivate essential 21st century learning. When we say facility design, it is playing a crucial role in supporting the overall educational mission of the school. It provides the infrastructure and resources necessary to create a dynamic and engaging learning experience for all. And thus, it is a unit of a school that incorporates with other units or departments that help the education fulfill its mission and realize its vision when living up with the school's philosophy and needs. So in this statement, we will capture the collaborative and integrated role of EMC in the school system. EMC or Educational Media Center is not just like a facility but a vital part of the school education ecosystem, working in harmony with other units to create a comprehensive and supportive learning environment that aligns with the school's broader mission. So let's move on to the rules of Educational Media Center. We have first the Center of Resources. Center of Resources serving as a central hub for a wide variety of materials and tools that support teaching and learning. So as we all know, so when we say media, it is a center of resources kasi whatever, kung ano man yung gagawin natin sa diba, we are using technology nowadays. Second is laboratory for learning. So when we say laboratory for learning, as base for experimentation, exploration, and innovation are encouraged. The EMC provides opportunities for both students and teachers to engage in hands-on activities, resources. Next is service agency. The EMC functions as a service agency in the school to provide support and resources to various stakeholders reading activities. Ito yung love natin in reading. So, we are reading books online ba? Some of us is reading Wattpad or comics book in our digital, in our cell phone. So, napapaloob ito yung mga fictional or mga non-fictional stories. And last, a stepping stone to other resources for the community. By serving as stepping stone for other community resources, the EMC can help students connect with their communities, expand their horizon, and discover new learning opportunities beyond the school wall.